Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to shut down all computers after working hours using group policy. So suppose if you are working in a company or in an organization where there is a requirement to shut down all computers after working hours. Okay, so I will show you step by step how you can do that. No need to go to server or no need to go to the PC and need to shut down manually. You can shut it down using group policy automatically at the specific time, or you can say after working hours, after 6 p.m., 5:30 or whatever time you will decide it. Okay, so I am going to jump on my domain controller. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me. Okay, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I will upload the new videos, you will get the notification. So see, this is my domain controller and my domain name is itparivar.lan, and this is client machine which is joined to the same domain, and we will try to implement the group policy on this PC and we'll test it. You can see here, okay, computer name is JBC and this is joined to itparivar.lan. Let me close this. Let me go to the server and let me quickly open here group policy management. Okay, this is group policy management. I am going to create here one group policy. You need to create in same way, or if you want to modify existing group policy, you can do that. I am going to enter here name shut down all PCs after working hours. Okay, just say okay. Let us quickly configure the settings. Shut down all PCs, right click, go to edit. You need to go to preferences under user configuration, expand this, expand to control panel setting, and you will see here schedule task. Right click, click to new and go to schedule task at least 7 or at least any Windows latest one. Okay, let me click here. You need to name it here like shutdown PC, shut down all PCs. Okay, after working hours. Okay, go to triggers. You need to keep this as default. Go to triggers, click to new, and as we have to shut down after working hours, so on daily basis it should happen, so we'll select daily, and you can select here your working hours last time, like 9. If working hours is 9 to 6, you can set it here 6 p.m. or whatever timing is suitable for you. Okay, so for now we are going to test it. The timing is here for now is 12:29, so we'll mention here like let us 12:33 after 4 minutes. Till now we'll configure all these steps. Okay, we have to do the testing for now, so I'm just going to do it or to apply it for after 4 minutes. Okay, for now it is 29, so it is setting it to 33. Say okay. You need to go to action, click to new, and here you need to mention path C drive / Windows / system32 / shutdown.exe. So basically shutdown.exe will be under this system32 Windows folder. Okay, so just you need to mention this, and here you need to add argument like what it should be, -s for shutdown space -t timing. After, I mean, before how many minutes you want to inform to user your computer will be shut down. So if you want to set it for 5 minutes so that the user will save their data, for now we have to set it, we have to do the testing, so I'm just going to enter here for 30 seconds only. Okay, 30 or 35 seconds. You can set it for 300 second, 5 minutes, or less than or more than that. Just say okay. You will be able to see in this way. Apply. Okay. So now we have successfully configured the group policy setting. Just we need to link it to the OU or to users for whom you want to shut down the computer. Okay, so here this is user based group policy. I'm going to open computer, Active Directory users and computers. You can see here there is a one group OU, that is IT team, and there is one user SKY, and using this same user I have logged in here on this PC. You can see SKY user. So we'll let us link this GPO to the IT team OU so that it will be get applied for this user. Okay, in same way you have to apply to the specific OU, or if you want to apply for all users, you can link to the domain level. You can link to domain level here. Just if you want to link to domain level for all your organization, for all users, right click here and link an existing GPO. If you want to apply for any specific user or for any users, those are inside to any specific OU, okay, you can apply that. You can link that GPO to that specific OU. I am going to apply this for that user SKY that was under this OU. So I am going to right click here and select link an existing GPO. We have already configured the GPO. Okay, so just select and say okay. Go to CMD, GP update space force. Oh, I think time already passed. It's 12:33. Again, we need to change the timing in the scheduler. No problem. Let me do it. Let me close this and let me right click, edit. Okay, we already reached to 12:33, so we need to change the settings so that it will be get applied to the client machine. And also just need to go to the trigger, select this and edit. Do it after 2 minutes 35. Okay, apply. Okay, let us run this GP update again. GP update space/force quickly. Time is 12:33, 34. Still we have 1 minute, and we have to run the same on client machine. Okay, let us wait. Yeah, it's updated at domain controller. Go to CMD on client machine. Type here GP update space/force. And let us verify if task scheduler is showing or not. So group policy is getting applied. Till now there is no, here you can see shut down all PC after working hours. This group policy applied. It's showing time 12:35. Let us see group policy update. So it's 12:35 now, and you can see system notified already. Windows will shut down in less than a minute, just because of we set a notified time only 35 seconds, so that is why it is saying less than a minute. So after a few seconds, in this way system will be shut down. Once scheduler will be started to run, you can see it is running. So in this way you can schedule a task.